10 lakh turnover. That is a smart goal which you have a specific, measurable, it is achievable and it is reviewable and it is not a time factor. In the 5 factor illama neenga goal, if you have a goal, it is going to go down. Here bit paper, waste paper irukkinga, it is going to equal to that. In the paper, the gold paper kila thukki release now. Your goal needs to say this. All 5 aspects need to be there. Even if it is your goal in your life, 10 years or end of when I die, I want to be this. You need all these aspects to come. Inniki night padakku podaangruvanga. Why is it successful? Specific. Inda padam irukku, andha padam irukku. You know it. It is measurable. Naanum na friends 4 பேர் போலாம். Achievable. கையில காசு இருக்கா? Yes. Reviewable. 4 மணி நேரம் டிக்கெட் எடுத்தோமா? யோசிக்கிறோமா? It is reviewable. And it is time bound. படம் ஆரம்பிக்கிற முன்னாடி போணும். Those goals were cigarette குடலாம்னு ஒரு பிளான் பண்றோமே. Are we ever talking about okay, cigarette I'm going to cut down from இப்போ 10 cigarette அடிச்சிட்டு இருக்கேன். 10 மாசத்துல நான் 2 cigarette அடிக்க போறேன். That might succeed. Because specific, measurable, achievable, reviewable and time bound. ஆனா யாரும் சிகரெட் பிட்டிங் பண்ணும்போது இந்த மாதிரி கோல் செட் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. கரெக்டா? Why? Because you are just talking. You don't want to set